How to change TikTok password if forgotten. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll show you how you can change your TikTok account's password if you've happened to forgot it. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change the TikTok password if you forgot it, what you have to do is first of all just go ahead and then open the TikTok app. And then I'm actually signed into my account, but I don't really remember my password, right? So in that case, what you want to do is tap on the three lines icon from the top right and then go to settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, go to the option called account, and then here you'll find the option called password. Just tap on it. It will automatically verify with your phone number if you've added your phone number to your TikTok account. Once you've automatically verified with the phone number, you can see it will take me to a new page where I can simply enter the new password without having to remember my old password. So in this case, I don't remember my old password, but I have access to my phone number, so it will let me enter the new password without having to enter my old password. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually change your TikTok password if you happen to forget it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.